Hello everyone, it's Simona from Edits by Simona, coming to you for the first time on a Monday, a freezing cold Monday in Joburg. I usually release dissertation hacks on a Tuesday, but as I promised last week, I'll be releasing bonus content this week in the lead up to my December bookings opening up at the end of August. So, this fifth dissertation hack is all about the consistency matrix and the data collection matrix. And basically it covers how they both underpin your interview guide or your survey questions. No matter what your research is or what methodology you've chosen, whether it's quantitative or qualitative, your questions that you'll be asking your respondents need to be underpinned and rooted in the theory and the research. If you do this, you get to ask targeted and robust questions and get to receive targeted and robust answers back. That's why these two tables are the foundation of your dissertation. And not only that, they also trace and outline in simple terms the golden thread. It kind of summarizes the first 4 chapters of your dissertation. So, this week's download covers the consistency matrix and the data collection matrix. It gives you examples of how to construct both of these tables and how they underpin each other, as well as underpin your interview guide or your survey questions. As always, this download is available on my website. I'll put the link in the description. And as always, it is a free download. So please, please, please make use of these resources. Make sure that you are subscribed to my newsletter so you know as soon as the December bookings open up. It should be around next week. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out. As I've said before, there's only a limited amount of slots available, as there's only one of me for that December period. So make sure that you are on top of things. If you have any questions, guys, please leave them in the comments below or in the comments on LinkedIn, or pop me an email if you have my email address, or you can also fill in a form on my website. Happy researching, guys, and see you tomorrow.